So hello and welcome to the channel, and today I want to show you how to remove the gear knob and this plastic. As you can see, this one is quite bad. I mean, this is a parts car, but still you don't want to have it like this. So what you want to do, first of all, subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment. It will help me grow the channel. And let me show you. So basically you take your gear knob and turn it to the left, so, and you just keep on turning it until it's fully out. So basically, I mean, it's kind of long, so as you can see over here, it's kind of long. So yeah, this one not that bad condition. And this is a diesel one, so let me show you. So this is from a diesel, and the EcoBoost has a different, so it has on this side the rear gear, so, but it's kind of the same, just for showing. You take this and you just turn it on the right fully, as much as you can. So you can still turn, but yeah, so just so you know, you can take this normal one that comes in titanium or cooling glue or other types of equipment, and you can always put this one from the ST line. These are kind of, at least for me, kind of nicer ones. So these are kind of nicer ones, at least for me. So get to this cover plastic. You're gonna need this tool or a smaller one, or whatever you have. So you can even use a screwdriver, but I would not encourage you to do that. So basically just clicked out as much as you can. This why is the best to use the plastic tools for this job. Might even take like this from this side. So after you click these two sides, it should be just up. Take this one out. You don't want to lose this one. You're gonna be needing that, and after that, you can use tool from this side, or you don't, as you like. So after that, what you have over here, you have this electric pin for all of these things. So the pin is from the inside. You have to click it. So from this side in, you clicked and you take it out. So, and on the other side should be another one for this parking. So you can see over here again, you take it out, clicked, and after that you just take this bad boy out. So for getting this one back in, I will not connect the pins. I'm just gonna show you how to. So you have this tunnel, it has to go inside. Click the front, and after that, okay, now electricity is in the way, I believe. So just clicked in like this. So and now you have. So you get this back and click the gear knob back in. So, and now you have upgraded to an ST line look. So as you can see, this one is normal stitching, and this one has with the red. So that's basically that. I hope this will help you. So you just turn this fully until it does not go, and put in the middle. So like this should be always like this. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. It will help grow the channel, and that's about that for this one. Thank you and see you next one.